Creating project reports in MS Excel and Power BI using Construction Project. Here we have an example project which we will use for creating a report. As you can see, everything is set and ready to be converted. To create a report, you should go to CP Tools upper tab, and there you can find a green Create button. You can select required template on the left side, and on the right side you can choose time range, scale and 2 filters. Also, at the bottom you can see the folder where reports will be stored both in Excel and Power BI format. Click Publish button to proceed. After opening MS Excel, wait a little for data refresh. And now enjoy your project data in well-structured, easy managed Power Pivot tables on each Excel spreadsheet. You can also open Power BI report generated from the path specified in Report Settings. Please read manuals to modify reports according to your needs. Thank you for using Construction Project.